Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to change or set up a new password in laptop or a PC. First of all, you should go to search bar and type control panel. Click on control panel. Then go to user account. Here, my user account name is Abdul Basit. Click on it. Here there are many options: change the account name, create a password, change account type, manage another account. In this video we are discussing how to create a password or change a password. So create a password. If you already have a password, then you have to provide the old password and then you can create a new password. So in my case, I don't have any password before, so it didn't require me old password. Now you can set new password. As I am setting a new password, now click on confirm password and put the same password as you put it before. You can also set up a password hint. It will help you to remember your password. So I am putting password hint. Now click on the create password. So your password has been set up and changed. If you find this video helpful, then you are requested to subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so that when I upload my new video, you will get notification. Thank you.